Hey everyone, it's Tuesday morning, April 15th, and welcome back to Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Sella, here to break down yesterday's market action in just 2 minutes. Before we get started, a quick note. Today's episode is sponsored by AMF Capital, Asset Management Frankfurt. For tailored investment solutions and top-quality mutual funds, visit amf-capital.de. So, markets got a bit of a breather to start the week. The Standard & Poor's 500 rose 0.8%. The Nasdaq gained 0.6%, and the Dow Jones added about 300 points, or 0.7%. Why the upbeat mood? Well, tech stocks got a temporary reprieve. Over the weekend, it was revealed that smartphones, computers, and other consumer electronics would not be hit with tariffs, at least not yet. That helped lift names like Apple, which jumped over 2% during the session. But, of course, things didn't stay simple for long. On Sunday, the Commerce Secretary said those same electronics will soon be covered under new tariffs, just different ones. And then President Trump jumped in on social media to say there's no exception and that the entire electronics supply chain will be investigated for national security reasons. So yeah, lots of mixed signals. Even with all that confusion, investors are still digesting last week's roller coaster. Remember, we saw one of the biggest single-day rallies since World War II last Wednesday, right after Trump hiked tariffs on China to 145%, but paused most other reciprocal duties. Now, Wall Street's bracing for another choppy week. Treasury yields pulled back a bit, with the 10-year yield slipping below 4.36%. Meanwhile, the US dollar continued to weaken, and safe haven assets are getting more attention. On the earnings side, Goldman Sachs helped support sentiment with stronger than expected profits last quarter. That's going to be a trend this week. Investors will be watching how companies are responding to the tariffs. All right, that's your quick market update. I'm Endrit Sella, and this was Capital Markets Quickie. Catch you tomorrow.